people are selling a custom Air Jordan sneakers, okay? We can speculate how they actually end up with this product, but guess what? If you know that there is a market for customization, you can simply go out there, find someone who is actually into coloring, painting, shoes, clothes, right? And you can buy the plain Air Jordan. You can pay the person to customize the shoes, take a pictures and publish it. And guess what? You can do the same exact business model with any product. You can go and find somebody who is doing engraving, right? You can buy a nice ball pens, a plain silver, metal, stainless steel, right? You can buy a bulk of these pens and you can offer engraving, right? You can buy the pens for 50 cents on the dollar, and you can find somebody to do a 50 cents engraving, and there you have it. You got a $1 cost acquisition on your product, and you can charge for $9.99. Who's not gonna buy a ball pen for $9.99, right? With a custom engraving. Don't forget you're gonna be charging shipping, so on and so forth. But this is just an example over here, guys. I want you to look that they're charging for this particular sneakers over here almost $250. Okay, very interesting. When you actually scroll down, you will see that there are other people who are doing something similar. We all know if you go on the actual Nike website, they will offer you a customization on some of the shoes, right? But they're not gonna offer you something like this. Just look at these pairs over here, right?